Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Godzilla and Kong versus each other from the new Godzilla and Kong: The New Empire. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Kong versus Godzilla from The New Empire, let's begin with Kong. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to begin with his face. So I'm going to start by drawing a line that's just going to go down and then up here like a wavy check mark. I'm going to make a little line right there. And another one's going to go down and then up to here. I'm going to curve a line right here for an eye, and then another line right here that curves around for an eye. Next, for the nose, let's make a line that curves to here, and then a line that's going to curve to here. Make a line down here, and then a line down here. Next, I'm going to curve this line here, and then curve it here. Then, starting here, let's draw a line that's going to come down to start the mouth. We'll bring this in, and we'll draw a line that's going to curve around and then down. We'll bring this line down and over. For one of his teeth, let's go down and up. Then we'll make some kind of rounded ones here. Then we're going to go down and up here for that other fang. Go up and down here. A couple more rounded teeth, and then another one goes up and down. I'm going to make a line that's going to go up and then down, kind of like a hook shape. We'll make another one that's going to go up and then down to here. Then we'll curve this line down, and then we'll curve this line down. Curve this line around. I'm going to bring this line down, and we'll bring this up to here for the other side of Kong's face. Now, starting here, I'm going to bring this line around. Put a little zigzag line in there. And we'll bring this line around. Next, I'm going to bring this down and over, and then down and over here. Now, starting here, I'm going to bring this line down, and you can see I'm making these little zigzag lines on here just to make it look really furry. I'm going to bring this line up, and I'm kind of making the same type of lines, but I'm bringing them up instead of down. I'm going to make these same lines over here, and I'm going to bring this down. Curve this line up and down, and I'm going to make this line down here. Bring this line around. And I'm going to curve this here and curve it here. Next, I'm going to make this line come down for his beard and then up. And let's add a couple little lines here. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve out for his shoulder. Then I'm going to bring this line down to here. Then I'm going to curve a line across to start his beast glove. We'll go down, curve, and then up right here. I'll make a circle shape and then another one underneath it. Then we'll go down, over, and up, kind of like a square. We'll curve this to here and then bring it up. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down. A line over here. Then we're going to bring this line down. And we'll come up and then over to here. We'll make a line kind of come up at an angle, and then we'll bring this to here. Then I'm going to bring a line over. We're going to come down and then connect it. We'll make another line right here. And then right here, I'm just going to make some kind of zigzag lines for his fur. Bring this line up, over, and then back to here. And we'll bring a line to here. And then another one, kind of give it like a three-dimensional look. We'll go up, over, and across. And then I'm going to make a couple little lines in here for some detail. Make another line that goes over, down, and then connects. Then we'll go down, over, and then connect it to here. Then we'll make another little square shape on here. Right here, I'm going to come over and then kind of go at an angle. I'm going to come up and then draw that same shape. Same thing here. Down and then up, and then draw that same shape. Down and up, draw that same shape back here. And we'll do one more out here. Let's kind of go down and up, and then draw that same shape. Then we're going to connect these lines here and make like a rectangle around them. And then we'll draw a little line right across each one. Then I'm going to make 4 little rectangle shapes right on there. Then starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come up and down. We're going to come across here. Then I'm going to go up and then around to here. I'll make another bump here, one here, and here. And that'll be kind of like the knuckles and hand of Kong. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to go out and then down, kind of see the other part of the beast glove. I'm going to curve a line here, and we're going to curve it into here for his chest, and then another line here. Then we're going to bring this line down, and we're going to make some zigzags right across here, and bring this line down. Next, we want to make Godzilla over here. So I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's just going to go down, and then I'm going to bring this up. I'm going to make this line come down and up here. Then we're going to make a couple little lines back here. And then a couple little lines down. Next, I'm going to make this come up, back to here, and I'm going to come down. Then I want to make this come out, and down, and then right out to here. Starting here, I'm going to bring this line out, and we're going to come down. Then I'm going to bring this line up, and then down to here. I'm going to curve this line down to here. Then I'm going to bring this down and up. And I'm going to bring this over for the jaw. We're going to curve a line back here with a couple little more lines for the back of the mouth. And then we're going to put in some sharp teeth on Godzilla. The line's going to curve down and up and then back for his tongue. Make a line right here for the nose. And then I'm going to bring some lines that are just going to kind of curve down here. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down and up here to start the neck. I'll make one more. It's going to come down and up here. Right here, I'm going to curve this line down at an angle. Bring this out, and I'm going to bring the line that's going to come up to a point and down. We're going to come out to a point and back. Another one here, and then one right here. We're going to bring this up, and I'm going to make a couple little broken lines right here. Next, I'm going to bring this line up to here. Next, I'm going to bring this line down and bring it over to here for the body. Then over here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come down and then angle down to here. And then we're just going to kind of make it like that hand is back there. Next, I'm going to make a couple little broken lines right here by the neck. And then a long broken line right up here. And then a broken line down here. I'm going to curve a couple lines right around here, kind of where the gills of Godzilla would be. And then I'm going to make a few kind of broken lines right around here. We're going to make a few broken lines here, and then a couple more kind of coming right around the arm here. And then a few coming down the arm as well, and even some on the hands. I want to make some curved lines right by the claws, and then a few extra lines. And a little line right here. Now for his dorsal plates, I'm going to make a couple little spikes here. And I'm going to make them get a little bit bigger back here. And then some more kind of coming off there. And then right up here, I'm going to make his tail kind of come up and then around here just for a little bit more detail. I'll make a little line to here. And then I'm going to make some little kind of broken lines here and then some more of the kind of spikes right across there. Next, I want to make it look like Godzilla is shooting his atomic blast at Kong's glove. So I'm going to make a line that's going to come out here, kind of broken, and then another one right here. Then I'm going to make this kind of like pointed, jagged line right across here, so it looks like his glove is taking the brunt of Godzilla's blast. And there you go. There is your drawing of Godzilla vs. Kong from the new Empire. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.